Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Waybill in Tally Prime. First, ensure your Tally Prime software is updated and enable the Goods and Services Tax, or GST, and eWaybill features under F11. Next, you'll need to register on the official eWaybill portal and create an API user profile, selecting Tally as your GSP. Finally, configure the applicable date and threshold limits for eWaybill generation directly within Tally Prime settings. This one-time setup is crucial for seamless operation. Once your setup is complete, creating an eWaybill is integrated with your sales transactions. Begin by recording a standard GST sales voucher in Tally Prime. At the bottom of the entry screen, ensure you set the option Provide GST/eWaybill details to Yes. This will open the Additional Details screen, where you'll input crucial information like dispatch and party details. Remember to accurately specify the transporter's name, their ID, and the vehicle number for the goods being moved. For accurate eWaybill generation, it's vital to enter the correct distance in kilometers between the consignor and consignee. This distance directly impacts the validity of your eWaybill. Also, confirm the mode of transport, whether it's by road, rail, air, or ship. Double-check all other details like HSN codes and item quantities for accuracy. After saving the transaction, Tally Prime will generate the eWaybill, which you can then print along with your invoice, often including a QR code. Sometimes, you might encounter issues like a rejected eWaybill. Common errors include missing or invalid vehicle numbers, incorrect distances, or mismatches in HSN codes and the type of supply. Always review your eWaybill report in Tally Prime to identify and resolve any pending or rejected bills promptly. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Correcting these details ensures smooth compliance and successful eWaybill generation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.